everyone, today we are going to make an origami flapping bird. So let's get started. First you are going to fold it like this. Then you are going to open it up and fold it like this. Now what you are going to do is you are going to turn it over and fold it like this. Then you open this up and you fold it like this. Now what you do is you do this, and then do this. And then these two things need to be lining up like this, and you bring these just like this. Now you see it has a square. Now what you do is the closed part should be at the top and the open part should be at the bottom. You take this and you fold it to here. You take this other side and you fold it to here. Now what you do is you turn it over and do this again. Now you open this up, fold this down. Now open that, and take this and take it out. Alright, now you open this up and you put this down and you open that up like that. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Alright, now what you do is it needs to be like this. Then you open this up like this. Now you open, now you have these three folds and you do this. Now this needs to be bring down. Just a teeny bit. Now the same thing on the other side. Now what you do is this is the beak, okay? Now you bring this wing up and then you bring this up. Okay. Then you bring this down facing with the neck. Alright. Now what you do, you hold right here and you pull this tail out. Okay, here's this. You do this right here, and you hold here, and you pull this tail out. And now you see you pull the tail out, now it's flapping. Alright, I hope you all guys made one, and goodbye. See you next time.